Hello guys and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Beautiful busty lady spotted hawking plantain at Lekki-Epe Express Road. The hustle, they say, is real. Photos of a Nigerian beautiful lady selling plantain in Lagos traffic has caught the attention of social media users. The busty lady, who was spotted hawking plantain along Lekki-Epe Expressway. This caught the attention of passers-by and commuters, as everyone was shocked to see a beautiful lady as such selling plantain in traffic. A lot have lauded her confidence, while others feel it should be staged, considering the bodycon dress she had on. No normal plantain seller as fine as the lady would slay and drip as much as she did. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Nigerian News and Entertainment, and click on the bell button to receive notification when a new story drops.